2026 SHOT Show in the Timber Creek booth. My name is John Hernandez. I help with product development. I want to show you a few of the new products that we're carrying this year. Timber Creek is known for all the peripheral parts, or the furniture, if you will, that goes on ARs. We have rifle chassis, certainly grip modules for various brands. This year, we're rounding out the Enforcer line, which is what it's the bread and butter of what Timber Creek is known for. And so we have some Arca rails that we've introduced. So we have a 10-inch, 3-inch, 3.5-inch, and 7-inch M-lock Arca rails. We have a rifle-mounted M-lock, so to pick some people that want to put these on their rifles. This is obviously with a lot of the long gun competition and things going on, there's a lot of good tripod companies out there. This is one of the mainstays of how people operate their firearms, to be able to have quick acquisition into a tripod or something like that. So the Arca kind of rounds that out. We also introduced this year in the Enforcer lineup 30 millimeter and 34 millimeter scope rings and bases. So in the 30 millimeter, there's a medium and a low. In the 34 millimeter, there's a medium and a high for the scope rings. There's also a new vertical grip M-lock adjustment. So, a lot of times it's a molded one, nice, light, but very durable. And then another big one, we know that how it's been trending, where the accessibility to get suppressors or cans for your gun has been a lot more available now. And so the hub adapters is a big one that we have introducing. So we got a 30 cal and a 223 hub adapters, kind of round out the Enforcer line for 2026 for Timber Creek Outdoors.
What are those running?
Somewhere it's more than $1, less than 100.
There you go.
I'm the product development guy, so yeah. But yeah, there's.
And you have cantilevers.
Cantilevers have been in Timber Creek's
forever.
Yeah.
But what I like is you have color matching for the Enforcer kits.
Yeah.
So, if you buy an Enforcer kit and you do red or burnt bronze or whatever, you can have the rings match, and I absolutely love that.
Yeah, and that's one of the fun things about being able to take all these parts, is you can make it your own, whatever color orientation you want on your gun. It's interesting with colors. When Timber Creek first started, black was obviously a mainstay, but red was the next best-selling color. What we've seen in the last, season or so is that some of the solids are kind of trending back again, but it's great because we have all of those colors available to kind of round out the round out the product lineup that we have. And so you can still go back to doing that. I know, Robert, you were sharing that you're going to you have an Enforcer kit. We can kind of show you what some of those look like, but there's a lot of color options in that as well. But it allows the guy to just kind of go from start to finish and maybe give his AR a new look.
Exactly. I'm a huge fan of the Enforcer kits and the AR platform furnitures that you guys sell. So you guys sent me a burnt bronze Enforcer kit, and I had to wait for all these parts to show up and all that stuff. So we're planning on having that completed as a step-by-step on how to put all the different pieces of furniture on an AR-15, and that should be out within the next week or two. So if you're watching, watch for that.
Wow, that'll be fun for you. You've been busy, you've got a lot of things going on, but it'll be good for people to see how that goes together.
Yeah, it literally will be step by step, each piece, how to remove the old piece and how to put the new one on.
Very good.
Yeah, that's gonna be wonderful.
Yeah.
So, do we have anything else?
That's for 2026. That's what we got. So.
Let's show them some of your
look at the Enforcer stuff.
Yeah, some of your standbys.
So Robert, like you were talking about, the Enforcer kit, we're kind of partial to the packaging, kind of loving it.
Yep.
It looks really good. you get a great glimpse exactly what comes in it. So certainly you can pick the different length and hand guards, but obviously you have kind of some of your smaller pieces up to your hand guard, buffer tube, dust covers, all those things in the Enforcer kit. So it's kind of you can get it piecemeal Timber Creek, or in the kit. It's nice because it's all there. You pick your color,
exactly,
get the kit, and it's all there ready for you to go.
Look how nice that purple one looks.
Yeah,
that's beautiful. And then I have the burnt bronze, which I believe is this one.
Yep. That's FE burnt bronze. This would be an example of that. I don't know. Oh, here we go. Here's right down here.
Yeah, what I like is if you piecemeal it, you can get every little piece that you need, or you can get it right here in the kit, and everything that you need for your furniture is right here. Now, what's really great about the Enforcer kit that I absolutely loved when I opened it up is every spring and every screw you need, in case you lose yours when you swap it out, is included in this kit.
Yeah.
Everything you possibly need, aside from a screwdriver and stuff, is right inside this kit, and it's fantastic.
Yes, that does make it nice, is eventually you drop something when you're taking a firearm apart. It's nice to have replacement stuff, as you said.
Yeah, like this right here's an example. Here's all your springs and pins and everything you need. Yeah, it's fantastic. I'm excited. Very, very cool.
Well, thanks for coming by. And,
thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
You bet.
Yeah, I come here every year. You guys are one of my favorites. I appreciate it.
You bet.